Hello everyone, this is Miss Andrea with the Perris Library. Today we're going to be doing crafts. Specifically, we will be making an origami bookmark for the corner of your book. As you can see, there are plenty of different kinds you could make. You could make animals, you can use different kinds of paper, anything you want to get any kind of bookmark you desire. You can also use different sized paper to get different sized bookmarks. So today, the gray side is our front and the flowers are the back of the paper. And I'm using a square, which you would like to use as well. Mine is 4 inches by 4 inches. So you'll want to fold that bottom corner up to the top, and then you'll pull that crease tight and push it all down. But I messed up a little, don't worry, you can always fix it. So now we're going to make sure that crease is really tight, and you want to make sure that the inside of the origami triangle here is the back for you. If you don't do it that way, it's going to be different. Now what you're going to do is pull that bottom corner up to the top. You're going to do that on both sides of your triangle. This will leave you with a diamond shape, which looks like 2 triangles put together. Next, you're going to unfold those pieces so that you have your triangle again, but this time you're going to take the front flap and pull it down to meet that little corner that you just made with those other little triangles. As you can see here, it's going to create a little pocket effect. Next, we're going to fold those new flaps over into our pocket. As you can see, it's going to be a little difficult at first, but you'll just have to finesse it a little bit and pull those seams really tight because you don't want those slipping out. You'll do that to both sides. Make sure it's really tight and that those corners match up nicely. And there you have it, your finished corner origami bookmark. As you can see, it was very important which side you used for the back and the front. But now let's talk about our book of the day. So, as you can see, you could put your bookmark in almost any sized book. And if you make a bigger one, it'll look even better in the big books. And if you make a small one, it'll look even better in the small book. And the book of the day is The Happiest Book Ever by Bob Shea. This is a fun book about all things happy and smiles. And now you have a bunch of bookmarks you can use, and they're your friends here. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and making origami corner bookmarks. Make sure to go to your local library to check out the book of the day. We'll see you next time. This was Miss Andrea with the Perris Library.